If you have anything that can help someone else or solve a problem someone cares about, you can have a business. There's nothing more important than lifestyle, flexibility, living life on your terms, and helping people with what you already know is a great way to build a foundation and build a business. The first step is just getting content out there, talking about what you love, what you're passionate about, and what you get results in. You can do ebooks or books. You can take all the articles you've written and make a book out of it. It could be a 30-page ebook, a 100-page ebook. Your best tips on how to be a better cook, how to lose weight, how to be a better leader. Webinars, webcasts is huge. People can put webinars out there for $50 a head or $100. Continuity programs, membership sites. You can charge $10 a month and give people a newsletter every month, or you can interview experts. Speeches, you can get paid $100, $500, $1,000. Now, obviously, if you're starting out, you got to maybe do some free speeches, but once you get good and prove yourself, your results seem to speak for themselves. Blogs. Go find the top 5 paid bloggers and then persistently reach out to them and have them mentor or ask them questions. Seminars, online courses, DVD programs. You can coach people. You can create certifications. You can do mastermind groups. You can create an app. There's all kinds of ways. And one of the biggest now is podcasting. Some of them have their income reports online. Focus on one thing. Make sure it can scale. It's excellence of quality. It's great service. You have the right people on your team. And then you make money one way and you keep doing it until it's systemized, until it can scale and not trade time for money. You don't try to make money 5 different ways within the first 6 months. Just getting stuff out there on different websites and different podcasts is the first key. It doesn't have to be perfect, just get it out there.